Everything you are doing right now, watching this video or listening to my voice, exists because of just two numbers, 0 and 1. Your computer doesn't see faces or hear music, it sees an endless invisible streams of zeros and ones. But how can just two digits run the entire digital world? To understand this, we first have to remember what is a number system. A number system is simply a way to represent the numbers. We as a human use decimal system in which we have 0 to 9, 10 digits. But what about the computers? Human and computers are not the same. A machine cannot understand this number system directly. So we need a number system which can be easily understood by a computer. Here, binary number system comes. A number system in which we have only two digits and only combination of zeros and ones is used to represent anything. Let's suppose we want to represent 25 in binary. So it will look like this combination of zeros and ones. In decimal number system, we count from 0 to 9 and then after 9 we pass on a carry to the next digit. But in binary, we only have two options. We count till 1 and when it's time to count 2, then we will pass a carry to the next digit as 1. So 0 in decimal means 0 in binary and 1 in decimal means 1 in binary. But 2 in decimal means 1 and 0. Yes, we read it as 1 0, not 10. So why only 0 and 1? Ever wondered how the computer is working or how this big giant made up of? To understand this, let's think about a switch. A switch can only be in two states, that is on state or off state. In similar way, computer is made up of millions of switches known as transistor. Either a transistor have on phase or off phase. On means current or signal flowing through it, so on in digital electronic becomes 1. Off means there is no signal or current passing through it, so off in digital electronics means 0. And this combination of on and off made up everything that you use to do in a system. But just think, if we used decimal number system instead of binary number system, then we have to represent each number a particular signal range. For example, for representing 8 to 10 voltage range, we use 6, and for representing 12 to 14 voltage range, we use 7. But isn't it inconvenient and complex to implement this in digital circuit? Why use a decimal system that requires assigning a specific value to different voltage ranges? Instead, we use binary. If the voltage is above a threshold, it represents a 1. If it's below, it represents a 0. So there is very less chances of errors. Binary is the bridge between the physical world of electricity and digital world of information. It's simple, it's elegant, and is the heartbeat of every piece of tech you own. Next time when you send a text, just remember you are actually sending a massive invisible parade of switches flipping on and off at the speed of light. I hope you have understood the significance of binary.